Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix 100% CPU usage on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So if you're going to fix the 100% CPU usage, this will also boost the Windows performance. So make a right click at the start button, then you will find device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, you will find this category software devices. Click on that. I mean this one, system devices. It's not software devices, it's system devices. In here, we need to look for the high precision event timer. What you can do, make a right click and then you have to select the disable option. So I have just disabled this high precision event timer. That's why I get the option enable. But if this is not disabled on your Windows, you need to simply make a right click and you will find a disable device from here. Just simply click on that. Now once done, close out of here. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar. In here, you need to type task manager. Click on Task Manager under the Best Match. Now we need to maximize the Task Manager window. So here in the Task Manager window, we need to click Start Up Apps in the list of options on the left pane. Now you need to change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. And what you can do is you need to disable the unnecessary startup programs that should not come along with your Windows or that should not automatically start whenever you sign in into your Windows. Simply make a right click and then select disable. So most of my startup programs are already disabled in my Windows. So in your case, you just need to simply make a right click and disable that unnecessary startup program. And then close this. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar, type edit, power, plan. Click on edit power plan under the best match. Now here you'll find this option changed advanced power settings and this window will appear. Now you have to click on this drop down arrow and choose the high performance. So you have balance high performance. Choose the high performance and you have to click on apply and click on OK and then close this window. And after that, just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So that's it. That's how you can easily fix 100% CPU usage on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.